the crude oil prices are facing renewed downward pressure due to some fresh bearish news from the energy market. Downgrading of US credit rating by Moody and the high probability of a US-Iran nuclear deal are the new spoilers for crude oil bulls. Moody focus was on the $39 trillion debt over US, which according to the rating agency is going out of control. This week, the Trump's new tax policy featuring lower income tax and higher defense spendings is already red flagged by the critics. In the Iranian front, it seems that Tehran has nearly accepted all of US conditions for the nuclear deal. Oil market is fearing of a deluge of Iranian crude flooding the market. In the economic front, China's slowing industrial output and retail sales data raised fresh concerns over the strength of the world's second-largest economy, which is a key driver of global oil demand. The combination of these conditions is keeping a lid on WTI and Brent prices. The prices today are down, with both WTI and Brent are down by 0.15%. Geopolitically also, the premiums are low. Israel-Hamas war has now turned into a limited war. Russia and Ukraine are close towards a US-sponsored ceasefire. The booming tension between a nuclear-powered India and Pakistan has gone down after the ceasefire. On the supply front, the latest US Energy Information Administration (EIA) data presented a mixed inventory picture. Crude oil inventories rose by 3.5 million barrels to 441.8 million barrels, while gasoline stocks dropped by 1 million barrels and distillate inventories fell by 3.2 million barrels to 103.6 million barrels, the lowest level since April 2005. This data shows a tighter supply, which would lead to support for the crude oil prices. As of now, the WTI crude is trading around $62.06, while the Brent is $65.43, both down by 0.14% and 0.17% respectively. Going forward, the WTI and Brent are going find support around $60 and $62 respectively. The strength of US dollar, US bond yields are going to be crucial factors for oil in coming days. Eyes would be also on US-China trade deal and progress in Russia-Ukraine ceasefire talks.